Daily English construction. Icyongereza dukoresha buri munsi mu bwubako mu kubaka. What are you working on today? What are you working on today? Woba uyu munsi uza gukora ku bijyanye n'iki? I'm working on the foundation. I'm working on the foundation. Uyu munsi nza gukora ku mushinge, ku bijyanye no kubaka umushinge. Are the materials ready? Are the materials ready? Mbega ibikoresho byose byoba bihari biteguye? Yes, the materials are ready. Yes, the materials are ready. Ibikoresho byose birahari birateguye. Do we have enough cement? Do we have enough cement? Do we have enough cement? Tukaba dufise isima ikwiye? No, we need more cement. Oya, turacyakeneye iyindi sima. No, we need more cement. Where should I put these bricks? Where should I put these bricks? Where should I put these bricks? Ni hehe noshobora gushira aya matafari? Put them near the wall. Put them near the wall. Put them near the wall. Yashire ahampande y'uruhome. Yashire ahampande y'uruhome. Follow EFA English Family. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.